Everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you are doing well, and thanks so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. It is this darling little flip book journal slash whatever. It measures about to the point here 3.5 to the little tippy point, and then about 3 1/4 ish, 3ish, somewhere in that frame. And that is a Studio Light die that comes with a journal die, a larger journal die. This one's in there, so don't overlook that. It comes pre-cut for these holes, so I just went ahead and made a whole little journal out of that instead of, you could certainly tuck this into another journal. For example, this is the size of one of their journals. This isn't finished yet, but that's how they go. And then this would tuck in side of there, but that one's a work. Cool looking. Okay, so let me flip through this. I had this flower that just happened to be lying around my studio. Sometimes I make things and it doesn't work out for what I'm doing, so I just put it aside, which is why I've got so much clutter. But anyway, I knew it would work out eventually. It's got sprayed with distress oxides, and it says Wonder in the middle with a little sticky button there, and it worked out perfectly in this case, so I'm glad I saved it. This is my Urban Grunge paper that I have in the shop. Love that. Alright, let's flip through here. So the first little page, these are all my digital papers, by the way. First page, I have a little pocket that I made with Atomic Studios die, and in it I have these, which are available in the shop, CLM Emporium. Little mini cutouts here that are so cute. So cute. And those tuck right in there. You could have little print out little photos and tuck in here. Little spaces to do journaling. This is good for like a little trip or something. Something very sort of specialized. Lots of room here. I've got a little notebook pad with my artwork on there. I have a little flip up thing here so you can hide a little something there and flip that down. More room to write and journal. I have a little pocket here. This is from Elizabeth Craft Designs, a planner, one of the planner essentials. And then again, I tucked in some of these little tiny, so cute, little tiny receipts and things that you could journal on the back of or use for whatever. Here's the middle, so you can see I just got some black 2mm elastic. Lots of journaling space to write, pictures on these darker bits. So cute. I love these little torn notebook things. This is my metal paper. That's actually not published yet, this metal, but it's going to be 2021. Interesting year already. Here's that. This is Elizabeth Craft Designs, and then it fits perfectly this little, I think I glued it in there. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. This little tiny receipt. Cute. What else have we got here? A belly band with some distress oxides, and in it I made a little fold up. This is a Studio Light die that actually comes, this would be unfolded, but I decided, I'll fold it up and make a little pocket out of it. So that has a little button card in there. And then I've got this other little French airmail type deal there, all grunged up. So cute. I just love how it turned out. Very cute. I just love tiny things. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that little flip it through. Maybe that gives you some inspiration. If you have a moment, you can go check out my website, cynthiamaynard.com. My shop at Etsy is CLM Emporium. And you can like this video. That would be a great help to me. And if you want to subscribe, then that way you will know when new videos are posted, and they could be art, journaling, cooking, chickening, any of that good stuff. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. Have a great day.